Work friends, more than just colleagues. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting and practical topic. Work friends. Have you ever heard of this term? Well, if you haven't, don't worry because you are about to learn all about it. Work friends are people you become friendly with in your workplace. They are not just your colleagues, but also people you share jokes, meals, and sometimes personal stories with. Let's dive into this topic to know more. First of all, let's define what work friends are. Work friends are individuals who you have a friendly relationship with at your place of work. They are more than just coworkers or colleagues, because you have a personal connection with them that extends beyond professional interaction. You might share breaks with them, chat about non-work topics, or even spend time with them outside of work hours. Now, let's talk about some of the characteristics that define a work friend. A work friend. 1. Shares common work experiences with you. You two can relate to each other because you're in the same environment. 2. Understands your work-related concerns and stresses, as they likely experience similar ones. 3. Can provide support when you're dealing with challenges at work. 4. Helps to make your work environment more enjoyable and less stressful. They can be a source of fun and relaxation in a busy work day. Friendships at work can start in different ways. It might be through shared projects, mutual interests, or office events. To maintain these friendships, it's important to 1. Show respect for their time and work, even as friends. 2. Set boundaries, balancing between work and personal life. 3. Communicate effectively, sharing both successes and challenges. 4. Offer help when they need it, and don't shy away from asking for help when you do. 5. Celebrate their achievements and be supportive when they face difficulties. Well, that wraps up our exploration of work friends. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of what work friends are, their characteristics, and how you can make and maintain such friendships. Remember, having friends at work can make your job a lot more enjoyable. So don't hesitate to start building those relationships. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.